Yeah, the question often comes up, if I'm in a car accident in Arizona, what do I do if the other driver doesn't have insurance? Well, just the other day, a potential client called our law firm and spoke to one of our attorneys about that. And here's what our attorney said. In a situation where the other driver doesn't have insurance, the most important question is to look at your own insurance and find out, do you have full coverage or not? Now, almost everybody knows whether they have full coverage or not, but that doesn't quite answer the question, as our attorney explained to this potential client. Once you know that you have full coverage, the next follow-up question, as our attorney explained, is, do you have uninsured motorist coverage? And most people don't know without checking whether they have that or not. And by the way, for heaven's sakes, if you're not sure, even if you have full coverage, if you're not sure if you have uninsured motorist coverage, as soon as you finish watching this video, call your insurance agent and say, do I have uninsured motorist coverage? And if so, what is the amount? And why is that so important? Because there are drivers out there, and we all know, who are driving without insurance. And your uninsured motorist coverage is the cheapest insurance you can get. It may only cost you $13 for 6 months. And you can get $100,000 worth of coverage for maybe $20. And it's the only insurance that pays you if the other driver doesn't have insurance. So it's the cheapest and it's the most important. And because your agent only makes $3 commission, they don't make sure you have it all the time. So you need to call and make sure that you have uninsured motorists. If it's after an accident, then call and find out. But if you find out you don't have it, you're kind of up, well, let's just put it this way. As the attorney was explaining, that's not the end of the story, but it can be close to the end. Then what the attorney explained is, then we look at, well, is there anybody in your household who has a vehicle with full coverage that has uninsured motorists? Or do you have another vehicle that has full coverage and has uninsured motorists? That's the next place the attorney was telling the person to look. But believe it or not, if there's someone that lives in your household that has a vehicle with full coverage that includes uninsured motorist coverage, that often can cover you without affecting their insurance rates. Now that's more complicated, and so make sure that you call and talk to one of our attorneys, because they need to analyze your specific situation. But at least I want to alert you to that possibility. And that's another reason to call our law firm and get a specific analysis of your situation, your insurance coverage. And remember, the call is free. The information is free. It may be priceless for your case, and we really are here to help you out.